If your washing machine water won't heat up, it could be due to a bad heating element, thermostat, or control board. We'll look at common causes and fixes. Make sure both of the home's faucets are fully turned on. Make sure the temperature selection is correct. Make sure the hoses are connected to the correct faucets. Check the water heater. It should be set to deliver a minimum of 49 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Fahrenheit hot water at the tap. Check the water heater capacity and recovery rate. A small heater may need time to reheat if hot water is used quickly. Disconnect the water hoses and clean the inlet filter screens. The hose filter screens may be clogged. Lastly, clean the mesh filter of water supply hose.